Kinong yalam kaseng kongres baya kren bat kilat patai kubor hakas ni balang kilat keno baki kam sha Thombor bat kam runa persha ek kinhun jaj binru SC ST bat OBC kala Kiew da South Popra percent house nem ajar poar kala keno ba ka BJP kamburom bat kala le bam yo I ek jaj binru hapo bat kala lendet lot yaki hok baro jongki kan ba ka kongres kalau kular ban le ka khana samari ha ka ba ya day bat ki jai pinru ka ban wanra ya ka rukom im ha ka im lang salang kayo ka kot bat ka sign perthe ka ba hok shaki SC ST bat OBC ka kongres kala kam ba ka Jingshah Thombor king the kala Kiew shaki live we ja sanspa khan ru ka ba day ka jing ujor halor ki kam le be jot house nem ajar puar ka ba la kot shaka jingkhen ka ba long pra phonru tlik Jingshah sha le be jot ha ka shisngi kala ong babaro kikin mau ya ke jingle UPM Modi par ka penpau ka jing sngiu khia ka BJP na ka benta kilat ai jing dai kikin the ha ka por pa kikren halor ka kam nir bhaya bat menta shno ke jing sngiu khia menta lane ka ne ka dai tang ka drama ban poi ha ka bor kumta ka seng kongres ka ong ba ka BJP kamdon ka jing sngiu khia halor kilat jing dai ki long kmi kala keno bakirunar bala sha kem hapo ka kam le be jot ka Bilkis Wano kila yo jamin lingba ka sarkar BJP.
Now we come to the social injustice part of it. The SC/STs, 48% is the increase in crime and atrocities against SC/ST. You all very well know that ST is an important factor in the entire Northeast. I will come to the atrocities against the ST community on minorities little later. You look at the women, you all know about the Nirbhaya case. The then Chief Minister of Gujarat came and showed a lot of drama in Delhi when Nirbhaya happened. It was an unfortunate incident. The then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, with his folded hand, apologized to this nation for what has happened. 31,516 is the number of rapes recorded in 2022. That is 86 rapes a day. Aren't the women insecure in this country? Where is Smriti Irani? Where is Meenakshi Lekhi? Don't they have any voice? Aren't they not too much worried about the women and security? These are the questions we are asking the people to ask them. We are raising it for the people. Why is this government so blind about it?
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.